Welcome to our tutorial on how to change text color in Gmail on your PC. Customizing the text color in your Gmail interface can add a personal touch to your email composition. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to change the text color in Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Step 2. On the top right corner, click on Settings. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Click on See All Settings. This will take you to the Gmail settings page. Step 4. Scroll down and locate the section labeled Default Text Style. Next to it, click on Text Color. That's it. You have successfully changed the text color in Gmail. You can now select your preferred text color to make your emails stand out and express your creativity. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials on Gmail and other tech-related topics.